Day country people, welcome to Niger Delta Connect. Here we are alive at the
this judgment is a judgment that is for the common masses of this country that are highly disturbed by the wave of killings in the land. These judgments have put an end to so many cases of unresolved murder and killings that have been taking place not only in the southwestern part of Nigeria and part of this country, where innocent people are daily killed on the highway while in transit. The court today has found guilty 3 persons as responsible for the killing and murder of Olakunrin, the daughter of the elder statesman, Chief Mrs.Funke. It has become very clear that the 3 persons conspire together to commit armed robbery, murder, and the killing of the lady and also an hunter who was in the bush when they were trying to take away those who were in the vehicle that was following the Mrs. Olakunrin. Obviously, the position of the defense was actually deflated by the court, who came to the conclusion that their defense was an afterthought. There was a thorough investigation that spanned through 3 states of the Federation: Edo State, Lagos State, before they were brought to Ondo State, where finally they confessed to the offense of this murder, kidnapping, and armed robbery. They were fixed to the scene of the crime, and cogent evidence were given by persons who were with them in the forest for 7 days. Particularly, the driver of the deceased, who was kidnapped for 7 days, and he identified them not only before the police, he also identified them before the court. That these 3 defendants were the person who were responsible for sporadic shooting along Akure Road, express road, that led to the death of Mrs. Olakunrin. And apart from that, he was able to positively identify all that happened.
welcome to Niger Delta Connect.
Those who are around him,
And here
some of the things that the evidence led by the police sentenced by hanging. That was the decision of the court based on the evidence led by the prosecution.
The country people, you're welcome to Niger Delta Connect. We are here live at the Ondo State High Court, sitting in Akure, the Ondo State capital. And Justice Rotimi Williams of Court 7 has just sentenced 3 suspects to life, to death by hanging for killing the daughter of Funke Olakunrin, daughter of Afenifere leader. They are Lawal, Mazaje, Adamu, and Muhammad Usman. They killed Olakunrin on the 12th of July 2019. We are still live at the Ondo State High Court in Akure, the Ondo State capital. And Justice Rotimi Williams said that the defendants were arraigned on 6-count charge of armed robbery, conspiracy, kidnapping, murder, aiding and abetting. Justice Williams Rotimi Olamide held in his judgment that
the judgment of the court from the A fact to the B fact and determine whether perhaps that will be a grant for appeal. That is good. But we appreciate the court. We appreciate the counsel on the other side, as led by the AG, the DPP, and other distinguished lawyers there on the side of the state.
Ní Yorùbá sá, a ní ilé ẹjọ́ ti dá àwọn tẹ̀kọ́ wá sí ilé ẹjọ́ lẹ́bi, a ní báwo lẹ ṣe rí lè sí.
Ẹ rí pé lẹ́yìn atótónu tí a gbé kalẹ̀ níwájú ilé ẹjọ́ dá èèyàn kan sílẹ̀ nínú àwọn mẹ́rin pé kó máa lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n pẹ̀lú bí ẹjọ́ yẹn ṣe rí báyìí, ó ti dúró sí ilé ẹjọ́ títí dìgbà tí a tún máa lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Kò tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn láti lè sọ fún ohun tí ilé ẹjọ́ yìí sọ pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ṣe ní àǹfààní àti lè sọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ sọ tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn. A máa gbé ìgbésẹ̀, a máa wo ohun tí ilé ẹjọ́ sọ. A wò fínífíní láti mọ ọ̀nà tá a máa gbé ilé ẹjọ́ sọ tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn.
And that was the counsel to the defendants saying that they might study the case and appeal the case if need be.
Good morning,
Hear him
sir.
again.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Let's meet your name and your designation.
I'm Chief Obafemi Bawa.
Okay.
I am the defense counsel to the second, third, and fourth defendant in this case.
All right, sir. So, what is your reaction
Yes,
on
as you
the
can see
judgment?
that the verdict and the judgment of the court has been delivered in this case. We appreciate the court for the judges of the court in this case. We also observe that one among the defendants was exonerated by the court from the judgment of the court. In the interim, we're going to take a critical look at the judgment of the court. We're going to diagnose it, look at area where issues can be formulated, the issue of appeal can be formulated. We are going to do that. We're going to take a look at the judgment of the court and determine whether appeal can be formulated and thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
And that was the counsel to defendants saying we'll look at the case and possibly appeal it. For more on this case, please stay tuned to Niger Delta Connect as we hope to bring you details shortly.